In the early 1980s, Hong Kong's manufacturing industry entered its golden age, with nearly 900,000 people powering a remarkable period of industrial growth. The experience built in Hong Kong gradually connected with the production strength of the Pearl River Delta, creating world-class capabilities in manufacturing, quality management, and reliable delivery. But the market has changed. Factories still make the products, yet much of their value is now created through branding, content, customer reviews, distribution, and AI-powered recommendations. Products continue to improve, while margins grow thinner. Many factories have strong expertise but limited pricing power, and they often struggle with trust, market access, content creation, and constantly changing AI rules. AI now offers a new way forward. Factories can stay focused on what they do best, manufacturing, while using AI to strengthen branding, content, distribution, and market operations. It can improve efficiency, accelerate response, and turn every interaction with the market into a long-term business asset. Today we explore how AIGC can help factories move beyond contract manufacturing and begin building brands of their own. Brand storytelling, professional credibility, and market content are no longer out of reach. With practical and achievable tools, every factory with strong manufacturing capabilities has the opportunity to transform production strength into lasting market value.